And now we're gonna do a before and after. You guys decide. Go ahead. That's one heck of a difference, isn't it? All right. Came back. Very nice, nice car. I don't know if you guys remembered. What's happening, man?
Hey boy, what's up, man?
Welcome back.
Yeah, what's going on, man?
Whole lot. What can I do for you? Here, have some coffee, man.
Oh shit, thanks, man. What'd you say? Say what's up? I mean, you know what's up.
What can I do for you for today, man?
Yeah, you know what's up, man.
How you all doing? Welcome back. Well, he's here to do a little bit of maintenance on his car, and I think he met someone else, and now he want to get rid of the exhaust and put the OEM one. OEM, we're gonna put it back, and it's a shame. Yeah, I'm surprised why the dealership don't like this kind of the aftermarket exhaust. I guess they don't have such appealing for the buyers, or somewhat, and it's not really it's quite expensive too, and it's not really that loud. I'm not sure if you guys heard it earlier, but this is full stainless. It's a cut back, so I'm gonna show you guys how to remove this one. And maybe later on he's got a surprise for me, and he said he's gonna bring the one that he met. That's coming up next. I don't know, maybe it's gonna be in this video on my vlog for today, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, so now I'm getting ready to there it is, bud. It's not really that difficult to remove that exhaust, and let me show you. Well, lucky for us, I kept his old exhaust. He doesn't have a place to store this on his house or his apartment, so we kept the whole thing. And one time I was thinking about getting rid of this, you know. He doesn't, it's not really paying me to store that thing in my garage, you know. So anyway, but those are just, if I remember, just 4 bolts and 4 hangers, and that should be it. Okay, now let's tear this thing apart. Always put safety, since I'm jacking up the rear tires, and I don't want this thing to roll out on me. So, just touch the front wheels. I have that chalker long time ago. I had that car since 1986. That's from my Nissan. I've had it ever since. Well, like I said earlier, I have mentioned that he met someone else. So, like later on, he's gonna come back and see. He wants us to make sure that I meet her. So, what happened to the your sets of Wilson tires? Oh.
I'm gonna trade it.
Okay.
It's a different ball pattern.
I couldn't stress enough. Always use a jack stand. Never go underneath. Just a jack. Safety. We only have one life. One life. Okay. And additional safety. Just in case. You go ahead. I'm gonna have it my cousin to rev it up just for one more time before we disconnect this. And see if you guys could go ahead. Okay. Not bad. Well, so much for the sound. Just in time for the airplane taking off. How'd you like that? Okay, I guess I can go ahead and take this off. Alright, that's only took me not even 10 minutes. And there it is. I'd probably say it only had like maybe, how many miles do you think that thing you put on there? Maybe like 8,000 maybe? Not even?
On the exhaust?
Yeah. Not even?
Even 1,000. Maybe 1,000, I would say.
Yeah. Okay, now it's the OEM.
They only use it for weekend.
Okay, let's open this. Go ahead, open it. You want me to tell them, the viewers, what your plan is?
Oh, the Invidia?
Well, we kept much of the packing materials on this one, and my cousin doesn't really have much use for this exhaust now. Once we put the oil back in, this is going back. The car, what I meant was the car is going back to the dealership, and it's for sale. So anyone that's interested locally in Los Angeles area, and it's up to you guys. I don't have Instagram or anything like that, but so for now, it's for sale. Okay, so first come, first serve, locally. It is guaranteed it's low miles. He said he only uses for like on the weekend and stuff. It's a weekend car. I can't say how much he wants for it, but okay. Everyone knows how much is the listing price for this setup, and I learned that he said he's willing to give it away for 50% off. Okay? Alright, so I'll just go ahead and put it back in. I'm not talking, and I'll put it on hyperlapse again, reinstalling. Alright, what you're getting back, if you do decide to get this, is it comes with the 2 donuts and a spacer inside, and these 2 stainless steel, and of course everything will all be cleaned up, not polished, but it'll just be cleaned up. Okay, and now we're gonna do a before and after. You guys decide. Go ahead. That's one heck of a difference, isn't it? Alright. And that's it. And like I said, the owner is willing to sell the thing 50% off. Anything local. No shipping. Okay? Alright, thank you. And have a happy new year and a safe one. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you guys back. And he said he promised he'll be back, and he's gonna let me meet his the woman that he met. Okay, bye bye.